So we thought in this video we'll show you a few things that you can do with our 140 gram glossy brochure paper apart from printing brochures. So we're going to show you how to make a chip bag or a party bag, or personalized chip bag and party bag, and a personalized chocolate bar. What we're using is our 140 gram brochure paper. It's double-sided. It's important that it's this weight. Anything heavier will not work, and this can be printed at high resolution on both sides. We're obviously going to use just one. We're using an ordinary inkjet printer using any inks, and this paper is available in A4 and the American 8.5 by 11 size. So now that we've printed the image on our 140 gram glossy paper, let's try folding it and making a crisp bag out of it. Equally, this can be a party bag to put sweets and little presents for participants of a party. There you have it, one personalized crisp bag to make a party a little bit fun, a little bit funnier. Equally, we can do this with a chocolate bar. And there's a personalized chocolate bar that you can give away as a little souvenir, as a memento of a party. Using our PPD 72, which is the 140 gram brochure paper, double-sided glossy, works on any inkjet printer using any inks.